To blur out the moving face of this gentleman like this, click on Window to activate Effects panel as well as Effect Controls panel. Now select the clip in timeline, come to the Effects panel, enter Blur in search. You can apply Mosaic, Gaussian or Fast Blur, but I will double click on the camera blur to apply this effect on the clip. Whole clip is blurred. So in Effect Controls panel, under Mask name, select Ellipse shape. For this automatic forward tracking, bring the playhead at the start of clip. But because the person enters the screen from the side, therefore this backward tracking will be easier for this clip. So I will move the playhead at the end of the clip. For better view, let me increase the area of program monitor. Drag and position the mask over face. For the time being, reduce the opacity of blur so that you can see the face movement behind mask. To resize mask in the same shape, bring pointer on a vertex point, press shift on keyboard, and when mouse pointer becomes double arrow, move it to change the size of mask. Alternatively, you can also drag the vertex point to set the mask over intended portion of the face. Adjust the mask to blur the intended portion of face. If necessary, you can add more vertex points and set the curve through its handles. Now in Effect Controls, click on the wrench symbol and select Position, Scale and Rotation option. Now click the arrow button of backward motion track. Premiere Pro will start analyzing the masked area and mask will start moving along with the face. It will also create keyframes in timeline view. If it is not tracking well, you can stop it, reset the position of mask and start tracking again. In playback, test the movement of mask over face and refine it. You can right click to delete some or all keyframes or delete even the mask to start over again. Finally, you can increase the opacity value for more thickness of blur. You may also increase the mask feather to soften the mask edges and blend it with the background. But here is another situation. How to blur the face of this person when he is passing behind the statue, but without blurring the face of the statue. For this, please watch next video. Link in description. Your like and subscribe means a lot for me.